Hi, I'm Michael Chua, and you're watching the Chua channel. I am here on this gorgeous, beautiful, albeit a little bit windy, San Francisco day to go to a place called Fable. I'm meeting there with my friend Tricia, who you might remember from the Viridian Bar episode. That was my very first one. She is joining me for lunch. So Fable is at 558 Castro Street. And it supposedly is California cuisine that is in a beautiful outdoor patio slash, they call it storybook setting. So I'm really excited. I think that we might also be joined by my friend Lionell, who you might also remember from my Iranian food recent episode. So as I'm walking there, I can see, do you see that cloud layer up there? We call that Karl. Yes, we've personified our fog, and it has a well-known name. So I've walked here, and I'm waiting for Tricia to get here. But while I'm waiting, I'm going to talk about what I'm expecting. And I don't really have that many expectations, except for I looked online and they said that they had a 4.4 stars, which sounds like it should be some relatively good food. I saw things that said that they have this gorgeous outside patio, that the food was really fresh, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm gonna try and put my name in to make sure that I get a spot on the patio, because they have a little parklet out front and it looks like there's already people sitting there, so I'm guessing that they're full in the back and we don't have a reservation. So let me go check on that. So it looks like that's a good tip for all of you. In order to sit in the back patio, you need a reservation. If you just walk in, they'll give you seating at their little parklet. So make sure to make a reservation before you join. It's on open table, so it's really easy. Unfortunately, our reservation is like in an hour, so I have to wait for that before Tricia and Lionell join me. But looking forward to it. Let's have some food. This is really nice. What size fits on Meta? What are your thoughts on the place so far?
Oh my god, the ambiance is so cute. Like, it's like a little green oasis in the middle of San Francisco. Look at that!
Hi. It's really nice. It reminds me of a place in PV. I think it might be called the Artiste. I'm not sure, but I think that's what it's called. It has the same sort of decor, outdoor seating, almost like sitting outside in a forest, which is really nice.
Thank you. So this is what, the double cheeseburger with bacon added? And what did you have?
Fried egg sandwich.
Fried egg sandwich. That looks really good. And you also had the burger, but with both bacon and avocado added? And I still haven't gotten my glass of wine. Sad. Now that you've had some of the food, what are your thoughts?
Oh, I hated it, obviously. I can't believe I ate the whole thing. Oh my god. But it was really good. Really tasty. The fries are like crunchy and I don't know, different texture, but I really like them. And the ambiance is just so cute.
I had the fried egg sandwich. It was pretty delicious. Definite spin on it. They had a gorgonzola spread and arugula, which is nice, and focaccia bread. I would have served it open faced. I think the focaccia was a little too much, but overall the flavor was great. The fries were a little interesting, as I'm used to them to be a little more tender and softer. But I mean, they worked. They were like rectangular potato chips, so that's cool too. I think it was a great meal. I wish I would have seen the chicken wings. Those look amazing.
So now for some final thoughts about Fable. The place was absolutely gorgeous. The back patio was as magical as they described it. And my friends all liked it. I would certainly go back. The service was nice, and you know, what's more is I would really like to see what it is like for dinner. You know, do they have light in the back patio? And the fact that I am wanting to see more means that I am intrigued and I love the place. So I think it's a definite recommendation from me.